Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. This is the question from number system. The octal equivalent of the binary number. So here we are given with the binary number. First of all, we are going to write this binary number, which is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. This binary number we want to convert to the octal number. We know that octal number has base 8. That means it is 2 raised to the power 3. So we need 3 bits. So from extreme right we are making 3 bits combination. So this is one combination, another 3 bits combination, another 3 bits combination. Here 1 is remaining alone. So before that we are applying 2 more zeros so that they are becoming the pair of 3. Now above that, in first pair simply write 1, 2, 4. In the next 1, 2, 4. In the next 1, 2, 4. Again in the next 1, 2, 4. So here with the first pair, 4 0 is 0, so discard this. 2 ones are 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So in the last, we need a 3. So we can see that only option A and B are matching. So C and D for sure are not the answers. Now we are going on the next pair. 4 ones are 4, plus 2 0 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. We can see that 5 is available in both the options. Now the third pair, 4 0 0, ignore this. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So here in both A and B we have 3. Now go to the last pair, 4 0 0, ignore this. 2 0 0, ignore this. 1 1 is a 1. So that means only 1 is available. So here 1, that means option A is not the answer. So we have the correct answer, which is option number B, that is 1353, which is available here. So this is the shortcut method by which we can convert binary number to the octal number. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.